In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted objects from images in OpenArt. We'll start right from the OpenArt homepage, head to the Images section, then open the Edit Image workspace. This is where all the cleanup happens. Bring in the photo you want to fix by dragging it into the center of the screen, or click Upload and select it from your computer. If possible, work on a copy of your image so you always keep the original untouched. Once your photo is loaded, look above the editing area and choose the Remove tool. With this selected, use the brush to paint over the object you want gone. Think of it like highlighting the distraction. Aim to cover the entire object, and it's okay to slightly overlap the edges so the system understands the boundaries. If you need more precision or speed, adjust the brush size using the slider until it feels comfortable for the area you're working on. Don't worry if the first pass isn't perfect. It's common to do 2 or 3 quick brush passes to clean up small leftovers and blend the fill more naturally. If you remove too much or catch something you wanted to keep, use Undo to step back and refine your mask. Zooming in around detailed edges can make a big difference in accuracy. For tougher jobs, like complex shapes, busy backgrounds, or fine details, switch to Magic Erase. You'll find this option next to the manual brush controls. When you select it, you may see a brief loading indicator while the tool analyzes your image. Then, click directly on the object you want to remove. Magic Erase will detect the subject area for you. Before you run it, set the creativity level. Use a lower setting for simple or solid backgrounds to keep the surroundings consistent. Choose a higher setting if the background is detailed or patterned, which gives the tool more freedom to rebuild complex textures. When you're ready, click Remove Now. Keep in mind that Magic Erase uses credits to process, so make sure you have at least a few available. Review the result, and if a small edge or shadow remains, you can switch back to the manual. Remove brush for a quick touch-up. When everything looks clean, save your image. Choose the format that suits your needs, give it a clear file name, and you're done. That's the workflow. Bring in your image, use the Remove brush for precise control, switch to Magic Erase for complex objects, adjust creativity for the background, and save your polished photo. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!